ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into some travel size fragrances that I have been testing and trying. And I wanted to give you all my lovely thoughts. So if you're interested in hearing some of my thoughts on these fragrances, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. That's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. I have 4 fragrances that I have been testing out, and I wanted to come back and give you all my thoughts on these fragrances. So let's get right into it, because you know how your sis does. So first up, we have from House of Sillage. You all know I recently got for Christmas the Minnie Mouse, the purple one, the for the 100th year of Minnie Mouse anniversary. So I recently got that fragrance, so I will do a video on that review very soon. But in that, we had a little travel size, okay? So this is from the House of Sillage, and this is called United We Stand, all right? So I did not know, honey, they already had a travel size in this case. And I got an extra one, okay? So that was pretty cool for a complimentary kind of a gift. I thought that was really neat. So this is from their trend line, or the trend line. I'm going to give you my thoughts, all right? I will say, when I first smelled this, it gave me Chanelica. It gave me Chanel vibes. It actually reminded me of gardenia. Like there's like a Chanel gardenia type of fragrance. It gave me that type of movement. It was definitely heavy in a white floral, okay? So looking at the notes, we have Lily of the Valley, Frangipani, and Jasmine, okay? Honey. So that is white flowers on top of white flowers on top of white flowers. And so that is why I definitely gave me Chanel vibes. Now, is this pretty? It is nice. But is this for me? No. Absolutely not. So no. I did not enjoy this.
It sucked, Bobby. Give it up.
But I feel like my mom might enjoy this more. So I wanted to come to you all with, you know, my thoughts, and then I'm going to see if she likes it, and then if she does, she can have it. But this definitely reminds me of kind of more my mom's style, and no shade on that, but she loves Chanel No. 5, right? And so I'm thinking if she likes that fragrance, maybe she'll kind of love this. But if you are a jasmine lover, a white floral lover, you would absolutely love this. If you are not any of those things, don't even look at this. You're not gonna like it. I mean, it is white floral. That's what you get at the opening, the middle, and the end. It had Frangipani, which is like a yellow floral. Okay, so you get a yellow floral in the middle. Honey, throughout the life of the fragrance, it's the flowers. You're in the white flower pot field. Honey, where do white flowers bloom? In a field? Maybe you just planted them. I don't care. I didn't like it. Okay, moving on. So next up, we have Fleur. From the Fleur line, we have Mood Ring. Okay, and you can see your sis has been testing this out. A time of 2 of 20. It's almost gone. Now, I will say, it is nice. Okay, I will start there. It's nice. Now, this has your fruit gummies. Okay, dragon fruit, orange flower, and some sheer amber, okay? It definitely gives you that amber kind of a warm, sexy type of note in it with the kind of candy-like, gummy type of scent. It's cool, but what I can't get with is just the lasting power, okay? And again, the price is not bad for it to be, and I think it's a clean brand from what I can remember, Fleur. And so I understand, like, it's not going to last a long time. But when I tell you, I could only smell like the gummy or the candy-like scent at spray. Like when I spray it, I can smell it. On me, it's very faint. It sits in the background. It's like nobody wants to play with that gummy bear, okay? Sitting in the background all alone, yeah. And for me, I like the popular gummy bear, okay? I like the popular girl that's just to stand out and then that's just in your face. I like the candy vibe, but I don't want her to be in the background. So it's okay. It's nice. Would I purchase a full bottle of this? No, I'm not. And and that's a lot coming from me. I like smelling like gummy bears and candies and cakes and pies and ice cream and all the above. You know what I'm saying? Hit me up. This one, I did not get my life with this. And I was kind of disappointed. I was thinking like mood rings. I was like, oh yes, give me the candy. Ooh, I'm gonna be smelling like Halloween in the wintertime. Like I was excited. And then when I got it, I was like, let me try it again. And let me try it again. So that's why it's down to here. Yeah, no, I won't be purchasing a full bottle of this. I will let probably my daughter use the rest of this because I'm sure she would love that candy vibe. And it's very suitable for her. Now, if you have, a child that is, coming into her own and kind of dabbling into fragrance, this might be a great one to start with. Like, I think it's a great foundation. But for me, who has a larger collection and I love candy type of fragrances, like this wasn't giving me my life. And so I'm sorry. And those that love this, I love this for you. It's cute. Okay. Moving on. Next up, let's talk about it. We have Juliet Has a Gun, and this is Ode to Dullness. What's up with the name? Like, Juliet Has a Gun, like, you didn't want nobody to buy this? Like, I just want to understand the name of this. When I tell you all, I was not checking for this. And is this popular? I don't see a lot of people talk about this a lot of time. If you like sandalwood, let's go there. If you like a sandalwood fragrance, this is the fragrance for you, okay? You would absolutely adore this fragrance. The fact that you named this fragrance Dullness, I don't understand. Because me being a sandalwood lover, I'm like, who's dull? Who are you talking to in this fragrance? Is it like kind of a play on words? You dissed the fragrance that really needed a different name. A Ode to Sandalwood or something like that. Honey, this has cashmere wood, sandalwood, tonka bean. When I tell you, it is like sandalwood, creaminess, comfort. It is the opposite of dullness. I am going to purchase a full bottle. Absolutely. This will be an add to cart very soon. You will see this in my collection in this moment. And you all know, like, I'm on like this must type of fresh type of kick, right? This gives me like this creamy sandalwood, fresh, everyday scent, like a greater your scent but better. You know how I talk about clean reserved skin, and I always say with that fragrance it's your skin but better. When I tell you, like, add on an additional creaminess, okay? This is amazing. Amazing. I am in love. Like, in love. I am going to use this up and purchase a full bottle, period. Like, I don't even know what else to say. If you love sandalwood, get on this train. This is an amazing train to be on. This is what you want in your life. Like, no lie. Amazing. Okay? Moving on. And last but certainly not least, honey, I got it. I got it. What you got, sis? I got it. What you got? I got it. I got Honey Sniff. This is Crumb Couture. This was people have been raving about how this smells like a a biscuit or a blueberry biscuit or whatever the case is, like this picture, okay, a croissant. I have been so interested, of course, being the gourmand lover that I am, in cookies and cakes and breads and all the things that you should not eat and change your life around for 2024. I want to smell like all of those things. It's probably what's getting me in trouble in 2024. I promise you I'm going to get back on track. Anyway, we're not talking about me. We're talking about the fragrance. But when I say, family, they ain't never lied, okay? And when I say now, when it's just in the air. Give me a time. Oh, hold on. Give me a second. When I say, this is not only bread, it is like a blueberry red. Croissant is very flaky. It's very buttery. It's scrumptious. Like, I just want to eat it, right? The problem. Oh my gosh. And then the flakiness, it's like when you first spray it, it's like you haven't baked it yet. But that dry down is like you put it in the oven. It is like oven on. It is rising and forming, and that smell and aroma that you get when something is baking. That blueberry, it is so good. I don't know what else you want me to say. Whew, okay. So I ordered this from the site. I had to wait because it was on back shipping or something like that, but well worth it. I'm good. So they have a new fragrance. It's called Vanilla Vice from Sniff, and it's definitely ice cream heavy, okay? All their advertisement is ice cream. When I say, who are you talking to? I am getting that fragrance. If it's going to smell like this, I want to be on that train ASAP before it sells out, okay? So Vanilla Vice, if you want to smell like ice cream, hop on the train, okay? It's definitely not that expensive where other fragrance has, it's like $65 or something like that. I am going to be on the train, and it's going to be shipping to my house very soon. You're going to see it on this channel very soon. If you want a review, let me know in the comments. Moving on. Well, that is all. That is all, family, for my thoughts on, honey, these new fragrances. Hey, let me know what you have been testing and rocking with and rolling with. I would love to know your thoughts on any recent purchases or any fragrances that you have gotten. Let me know. Hook a sister up, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.